Hey guys, just out in the field again, just going to do some more testing on the Lollygagger. So before I get going here, I just wanted to do another segment of this video, just to show you the setup a little bit more and stuff like that. So when I set it up this time, I didn't bother putting the middle legs in. It works out better this way when I put the extension on, just because the extension I've got at around a around a 6.5 degree pitch right now, and then the main sluice I got around an 8.5. So without putting those legs on, you can get a little more of the difference in pitch that you want. So I left those off right now, and it works really good. What I added to the unit was a stainless steel fitting right here. I tapped into my water valve, put a stainless steel fitting, and then about a 25-foot hose, and on the very end I just put a little nozzle just for cleaning up and stuff like that. So, and it works really well. So that's what I done. That's what I done there. I drilled another set of holes in the spray bar just to give me a little bit more flow. So I done that as well. And the top hopper, I ended up putting some expanded over carpet. So I got some carpet with expanded on there now, and give that a whirl, see how it works. I increased this elevation bar right here. I had a 12-inch, so now I have a 14-inch, and just to see how it's going to clear everything out of the top hopper. So yeah, that's about it really. I put diverters in. I'll show you that when I do a cleanup, just to spread the water out so I don't get the buildup of sand that I was getting in the corners and the transition area right here. And I've got this flexible hose made by Goodyear, very expensive oil field hose that I ended up getting at a pretty good price, so I got that. And then I've got this lay flat hose. It's something new. A lot of guys use it in the oil patch here as well. It's a ribbed black lay flat hose. Again, it's supposedly a lot better than that blue stuff. So I ended up picking that up as well. And then that's the little 2.5 horsepower Honda 1.5 inlet and outlet. And then I've got another piece of the suction hose, which a lot of people use just fall hose or into a bucket, a few rocks, and I've got a filter and stuff down there on that. I also got a foot valve, so when I turn the unit off, it doesn't lose all the priming. So it's a nice convenient spot here to do some testing, kind of back right up to the unit here, and see how it works. So anyway, that's some additions I made. I did have a 1-inch jam, and I had it screwed in right here, so I took that out and I put diverters in, and I filled that up. So that's one thing I done there as well. Matting coming, should be here tomorrow, if not Monday. Today is Thursday, so with that being said, it's going to be a Talon, it's going to be a scrubber, and a river hog configuration. So that's what I'm going to try in it. But right now I have this running, you know, right around quarter throttle right now, and you know, about half, 3/4 throttle is all I need for this unit, and it does really well. So I scrubbed all my mats down with some jet dry prior to using it here today, just to make sure they're all clean, and there's no oils or greases or anything that from you know, just sitting around the garage and stuff. So other than that, I think that's about it for now, and like I say, I'll just zoom in a little bit and I'll give you some more footage. Okay, I'm just back here, and I've got the pump up to about 3/4 now, and lots of volume, lots of pressure. You rocks are washed really, really nice. There's no dirt, no nothing on these. They're washed really nice. Yeah, nice and clean. Nice and clean. With the expanded metal up here, you gotta kind of get your hand in every once in a while. See the rocks just in there. And the grizzly, flick every once in a while. Clean them out like that. And yeah, just digging a hole here. Lots of water volume coming down. Still quite a bit of material just hanging out in this downdraft. And razorback is what I had, downdraft and razorback in here. So I'd like to have this clean out just a little bit more than what it is. But again, I just got UR up here until my other stuff comes. It's actually doing quite well. I'm going to try putting in a couple of ripples right where the joints are and see how that performs. We got a little ramp ripple back here, a little reverse ramp ripple. See it ducktailing. So I'm going to have to put a mat. I've got a mat over there already cut and stuff like that, so I'll probably install that here today. If not, just try it out anyway and see how it's working. So other than that, yeah, the extra set of holes seems to make a little bit of a difference. Like say more water flow, and it's working fairly well. So really good. And not much water out the back. It's going really well. Everything is working. Everything's working really well. That's it for this segment, and I'll come in again. Hey guys, so I'm back again, and I just done a shutdown, and I'm just doing a cleanup. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'll try to. There's one. Two specks right here. Right at the tip of my finger there, there's two specks. I don't know if the glare, you can see it or not. There's another speck right at the tip of my finger right here. So I'm not here for the gold. I'm here to do the testing and catch this really fine stuff, because that's all is here. And if I can get that, I know I can, like I say, get the big stuff. That's the easy part. So I'm here to catch all that little stuff. Let's see how we do. So anyway, yeah, done cleanup. It's all cleaned out. In this bottom section, I think I had maybe 4 or 5 specks in there, and in that UR, I just had about a dozen, I guess, in total in the UR section. So I got to raise, I got to raise it up a little more. So so it looks like a 16-inch burr, and we will be really, really good. Yeah, so that's it for now. That's all I can kind of say and do. I'll just wait until I get my my washer mat as well, and I'll keep all my cons and just go through everything just to make sure. But I just panned some of the cons right quick, and that's what I ended up getting. So yeah, not a bad day here on the river, and like I say, this is just digging in here. Mud, sand, clay, mixture of everything, I guess. And yeah, filling my hole, and okay, I'll get all this piece together, and thanks again for watching. Hey, I wanted to show you this as well. I thought it'd be worth seeing. This is the carpet that I have up in the hopper, and then I have expanded metal that's over there right now, but expanded on top of that. And actually there's one speck right here on top of my finger. I don't know if you can see it. Like I say, this is small stuff. So I got one there, one right over on the edge of the black sand here. I've got one on the edge of the black sand, two little ones there. So yeah, believe it or not, it does help getting some of this fine gold. You know, more places it can go and hide, I guess the better it is. So if you don't mind, you know, sticking your hand in every once in a while and hauling down a rock or something like that, if it gets caught, then yeah, it might be worthwhile thinking about and possibly doing. Here's the expand it right here. See it on top, like a little tray.